Okay.
None to it. Oh. Alright, so I guess the idea today is we're gonna make some coconut oil. So we have all these old coconuts, and the first thing we gotta do, well, earlier we had to tear off the husk, and now we gotta break them open and get the juices out, and then I really don't know what we're gonna do next, but bam, just like that. Okay, now we have to separate the meat from the shell. Yep. Yeah, you can try.
Okay.
Yeah? This is the way you do it. Gambare. What's it called?
I don't know, they call it a coconut bread.
Coconut bread. I don't think I've ever had it.
No? Kenapa?
Enak.
Saya suka.
Wow, it's really light, like styrofoam. Oh my gosh.
I like it.
Wow, it is very subtle flavor. It's not like super sweet or savory or salty. Interesting texture. I mean, if you were able to eat styrofoam, it's kind of how it would be, I guess. There you go. And it looks like this when you're all done with it. Now we got a bucket of it, and you can eat it. Well, it's pretty damn good too. Huh? Next step in the process, we gotta wash it. All right. Kind of like doing laundry. And the next thing you gotta do is you gotta grind it up and you gotta shave it. And so we have our washed coconut over here. I guess what you do is you just kind of stick it in there like that. So the next step, after you've shaved and grated up all the coconut right here, is put it in here and you just
milk it.
You just squeeze the hell out of it?
Yeah. Honestly, that's what you're doing.
That's it, huh?
Yeah.
And this would be the coconut milk. And that's why coconut milk is so expensive, because it's a whole process. It is a whole process. Yeah.
Taking the coconut down and then taking the husk off to, you know?
All of it, yeah. Wow.
Extract the
I'm guessing there's machines that do it now pretty quickly.
Yeah, definitely. 100% easily.
Ambilnya garis soalnya. Sampai nak ngerti oke anak nang omah. Apa sampe didol barang?
Just squeeze the hell out of it.
Jarang sih, Mbak. Dikletik mawon. Ngelentik, bro.
And now we put it over the fire on low heat, they said. And that should, what should that do again? That'll raise the milk to the top and we scoop it out. Right? Something like that. Good morning. So it is the next day, and we let the coconut milk sit all night, and it should have separated from the top layer, and it's creamy and thick, and then the bottom layer should be water. Yep.
Sebentar. Iya. Iki irus cilik es, irus cilik es. Cingkir es.
So we kind of scooped out all this right here.
kecil es. Jadi kalau sambilan es.
It is a process. Wow. So they've been stirring this for about an hour, hour and a half maybe, and now it's finally turned to oil.
Ini untuk dimasak.
Crazy.
Ini nanti disambel sama nanti.
So, wow. So when you're done, you're left with a bunch of this coconut, ground beefy looking stuff. And you can eat it.
Enak, enak.
Enak.
Enak. Makan. Gak mendem.
Oh my goodness, that's so good.
Enak jadi, Mbak.
That is so good.
Enak.
Enak. Uh-huh. That's the best coconut I've ever had in my life. And this is what you're left with, huh? This is your oil. All for that. It's crazy to think that you can get this much out of a coconut. Now we have a meal. So with the leftover ground beef looking coconut stuff, they made some sambal, or they grounded up some chilies and some lime and some peppers and onions, and then they mixed it all together. We threw an egg on there, some chicken. Bam! Lunch. And Vanessa has her coconut oil now, so everyone's happy. Hello, nama saya Nick.
Nick.
Halo.
Ini anaknya.
Halo.
YouTuber dia kalau mau kenalan.
Iya, iya.
Dari cek. Udah subscribe.
Oh, really? Awesome. Thank you. Thank you.
Langsung ketemu dah. Ya, bisa ke sini lah.
So,
Mana Pak?
we just stopped off at a batik place here in Jember, the Jahit and Border Pritas Khusus Wanita.
Jual dekat online?
Because Jember is very famous with tobacco and cacao, so they put a motif also as a leaf of tobacco leaf, and then coffee. There's some coffee. There's some coffee. Is this one coffee bean, and this one coffee bean. This one and the leaf, and also cacao, and then also tobacco leaf as well. Tobacco leaf going to be here. This tobacco.
This cacao.
This cacao. This cacao.
Tobacco.
This tobacco leaf here, and then they have a coffee. leaf.
Wah, kok melok pisan tulis Jawa iki?
Mr. Tony?
Ya, this is Tony.
Ah,
Chuck Tony.
Chuck Tony. Okay, there you go. Chuck Tony. Who has it on his belly. Ah, beautiful. This is Chuck Tony's house. Is this Chuck Tony right here on the This is Chuck Tony right here. Wow. Yes.
Apa itu? Doctor, my
Daughter. My daughter. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet
Where you from?
America.
Oh, from US.
Yes. You have a beautiful home here.
Apa itu?
Rumah bagus.
Rumah cantik.
Yeah.
Your favorite color is green?
Her.
I like her.
Ah, her favorite color is green. Ah, okay.
Nick,
Yes.
every Saturday night, dari 100 to 100%.
Every Saturday night,
Yeah.
100 to 200 people are here?
The food, whole food.
Wow, look at that.
This is the food.
This is the foot?
This is the food. This is the rib.
And the ribs. Okay, I'm used to the ribs. I'm not used to the foot.
Belum tahu
And
bakso.
then here we have bakso. Big old meatballs.
Cok itu loh.
Those are huge.
Oh, you're vlogging?
I'm vlogging.
You're in the box.
I vlog from time to time.
Ah!
That's good.
I'm not ready to be famous. Oh my god.
You will be. You will be. You deserve to be.
You like sambal?
Kecap.
No.
Makan apa? Cow's feet. Look at that. The knuckle. Enak?
Jangan lupa pilih Tony, Mr. Tony.
It's Tony.
Don't worry. Apa? The little boy, one pocket.
Where people only
Big boy,
do everything inside the room. Who's the one who like Japanese
Nice.
Halo.
like anime that's all that.
Apa itu?
Buy cigarettes, of course. Yeah. And Bobby got one too. Let me see, Bobby.
Awas jatuh.
Nice. And like always, that time has come to say goodbye. Pelan. Pelan, pelan, pelan.
Terima kasih.
Be careful, santai. Take care. Yeah. She got hit with the coconut yesterday. She was just walking and a coconut fell and hit her right in the chest. And yeah, I think it hurt pretty bad. She was down yesterday. Even making him some coffee.
Kopi again.
Don't forget to order your kopi no. The best kopi in all of Indonesia. It's too hot though. It's too hot and the coffee grinds in my mouth. Yeah.
Very much welcome to you.
No, of course, man. Always good to see you, brother.
Okay.
We will. Go say goodbye out there again, but. Thank you. Hati-hati. See you again.
Terima kasih. Thank you so much.
How do you say? Oh, genki de. How do you say? Oh, genki de. Alright, and from here, we're actually gonna stop by the goat farm. I've taken you there before, but we're gonna stop by there, say hello, and then we're gonna hit the road. We are heading to Jember Kota, Jember City, and from there we're gonna take a bus to Banyuwangi, hop on a ferry, go to Bali, and yeah. Whoa, this one is out. He's like, I'm actually not a goat, I'm a human trapped in a goat's body. Somebody help me. Okay, and over here is this really smelly part. Yeah. One thing I've noticed, there's not a lot of flies either.
This smelling a lot from the puppet.
Oh, I'm smelling this.
This fruit because fermentation.
Ah, okay. I'm actually not smelling the poop. I'm smelling the fermented straw and hay.
Wow.
It's really clean.
Hey.
Any idea about how much one cow costs? About like
14.
14?
14, yes.
14 juta? Okay, 14 million? Like $1,000 about, I guess?
Depending on body weight.
Yeah, okay.
Like so these are
Yeah.
for steak for meat.
Yes.
Oh. Wow.
Not from milk.
Not from
It's for meat. Yes.
For meat, you're gonna be some satay,
Yeah, so
steak.
Like rambutan almost.
Dia from Papua.
From Papua.
His name Matoa.
Matoa. Camera. I'm just gonna take Bobby with us.
Nah, cameraman.
You can be our cameraman.
This one is not good food.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of like a light or rambutan.
Rambutan.
Got a little seed in there. 2 million rupees for muda. Small for young. What about an old one?
Yang besar, pecah ada 5 juta. 5 million.
5 million. Okay.
5 to 6.
What about the cattle? How much can they get?
Sapi.
Roughly, you know.
Sapi start from 20 million.
20 million for one good.
One, yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
What's maybe the highest you can get?
The most expensive one, paling mahal. Until 80.
80. 80 million. I don't really know how much that is in USD. I'll tell you, but. Ooh, that is cute.
You always have to pay us.
Wow,
Oh iya. Ada
Ooh, yum. We got some yellow rice, some chicken, some goreng. Okra? Looks like okra, but I don't think it's okra. Some fried
Could
chippies.
be.
You think it's okra?
Looks like fried okra, no?
Meatball.
Oh.
No. Potato.
Oh, that is potato.
Yeah.
Yum. Thanks for welcoming me to your place again.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nick. Bu, matur nuwun ya.
See you guys. Good luck.
Take care.
Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Dari here.
Uh huh. You gonna stay here?
Yeah,
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
my first video.
All right, brother.
Thanks so much.
Love you, man.
Ibnu Beach Boy. Good. Nice to meet you, Ibnu. Next time. Come again.
Not exactly your pick of the litter. We're getting this guy right here. The one that looks like it should be in Mad Max. All these, I guess, are going to Surabaya, Malang, Surabaya. That one's going to Banyuwangi, but that don't look too much better. But this is what we're looking at.
Pelan. Sik. Lepas. Lepas.